Today we will show you how Dove soap is made inside factory with natural ingredients, full process.
Carefully selected natural ingredients are gathered with precision. Only the finest botanical extracts make it forward.
Raw materials are prepared for pure oil extraction.
Everything is carefully transported toward the processing facility. The journey continues toward a modern production facility. Each shipment arrives under strict quality control entry. Inside the facility, the transformation process is ready to begin.
Every raw ingredient is verified before entering production. Precision weighing ensures perfect formulation balance.
Every ingredient is purified before processing begins.
Natural components are carefully divided for extraction. Freshness is preserved at every stage. Materials are delivered to the heart of production. Here, natural ingredients begin their transformation. Pure extracts are combined under controlled conditions. Inside this facility, natural ingredients enter a world of precision engineering. Every entry is carefully controlled for safety and quality. Materials flow seamlessly through organized industrial pathways.
Precision docking ensures smooth transfer into production lines.
Each batch enters the facility with complete traceability. The journey now enters the core of production. This is where transformation truly begins.
Natural extracts are now unified into a controlled formulation. Every material is purified before advanced processing begins.
Only perfect natural inputs move forward in production.
Impurities are removed for pure formulation. Precise ratios define the foundation of the formula. Automation ensures absolute consistency in every batch. Here, nature transforms into a unified cleansing base. The formula begins to refine into a stable structure.
Temperature control locks in product quality.
The purified base now enters the core transformation stage.
Every drop is measured for perfect skin balance.
Powerful mixing creates a rich, uniform cleansing cream. Scientific precision ensures perfect skin compatibility.
Air is removed to create a silky, stable texture.
Texture is perfected for a luxurious feel.
The formulation is now complete and stabilized. Every batch passes strict final flow verification. The formulation now enters its final transformation stage.
Hydration is enhanced for a soft cleansing experience.
Advanced refinement creates a silky, uniform consistency. Final polishing locks in premium texture quality. Final polishing locks in premium texture quality.
Thermal balance ensures lasting product stability. Every detail is verified before final approval.
The batch is officially approved for packaging stage.
The product now moves into precision filling systems. The liquid base begins its transformation into solid soap form. Each bar is shaped with exact industrial precision.
Every bar is refined for a flawless premium finish. The iconic branding is now permanently imprinted. Only perfect bars pass the quality threshold.
Precision alignment prepares the product for final packaging.
The final stage of production is now ready to begin. The final presentation of the product begins here. Every bar is wrapped in its official branded packaging. A perfect seal ensures product protection and freshness. Brand identity is applied with absolute precision.
Every package is tested for flawless sealing. Each product is uniquely coded for full traceability.
Only perfect products move forward to final packaging.
Individual units are now grouped for global distribution.
Every batch enters strict scientific evaluation.
Physical strength is verified with precision instruments.
Chemical balance ensures skin-friendly performance. Hygiene safety is confirmed at microscopic level.
The signature scent is locked for lasting freshness.
All quality checks are successfully completed.
The final production stage now moves toward global delivery.
The finished product now enters global storage and distribution.
Precision stacking prepares every shipment for transport.
Every pallet is secured for safe international delivery.
Each shipment is tracked with complete digital accuracy.
The final journey to markets around the world begins here.
Carefully packed products are prepared for worldwide delivery. From factory to the world, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce Dove soap from start to finish.